Hello guys, welcome back to the Roblox scripting series. Today I'm going to teach you guys on how to make a custom character. Here's something I've made. It looks pretty cool. With this tutorial, you can make something like this. First, make your character. Right now I don't have any plans. I don't have any ideas. Right now I'm just freestyling it. Just going with the flow. Making the base parts, resizing the arm, making the leg, etc. Once you're done with your character, right now I'm done with my character. Once you're done with your character, um, rename the parts to a unique name. I duplicated torso and changed the transparency to 1 and made it a humanoid root part. A humanoid root part is going to be the primary part of this character. It's going to be used to balance the character, to give it a sense of balance and direction. Renaming this to right arm, renaming this to left arm, etc. You can name your parts whatever you want, as long as you remember them and don't get confused by it. Right now I'm checking my other model if I've missed anything. Group your parts. Add a humanoid. If your character has a head, the group name should be floating above your head. Name this whatever you want. I accidentally put the place plate inside of the group, so I'm going to put it out. Alright, once you're done with your character and you've modeled them, if you've grouped them, install a plugin called Edit Rig. The link should be right in the description below. What you need to do is click on humanoid part, press Ctrl and press torso. Press create joints. It'll connect them so it doesn't fall apart. And then what you need to do is press torso, Control and right leg. Create joint and position the joint to wherever you want. I'm changing the position because I don't want the leg to bend midway. I want the leg to move where it should be. You should be precise about this because if you mess up, your character will look horrible. Then I'm going to make a joint for the right arm. Change the position. I want it to move in the upper part of the arm. The joints for the torso should be in the middle, by the way. Don't do the thing I did. Making sure the position is right now. Right now I'm gonna speed this up. Your rig should look something like this. Making sure I did everything, and press the plugin to exit out of it. Now we're gonna put it in starter player. I accidentally put it in starter character scripts, but put it in a starter player. Rename this to starter character so your character works. Make sure you get the capitals right. Case sensitive. Now press play. The model works, but it's barely moving. If your character is bugged, then there's ways to fix it. I'm gonna stop this. First, change your primary part to humanoid root part, and then go to your leg. Copy the Y value, the Y size, the Y value of the size. Copy it and put it in. Go to humanoid and put it in the hip height, so it knows how tall the character is. So it knows how tall the character is on the hip, so it moves properly. Right, I'm trying to find it and I'm pasting it. Let's play. Your character should work. Right now, let's make the animation. Animate to whatever you want. Change your animation priority to movement. Moving the legs, moving the arm. Make a simple animation. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. It's your first rig after all. And then set it to looping. Export it. Name your description to whatever you want. I'm going to name it to this. Copy the ID. And now let's make the animate script. Add a local script and make sure to name it animate. Capital A. It's case sensitive. If you name it, if you don't name it properly, the animation script won't work. Add an animation and paste the ID. I'm renaming this to walk, and then I'm gonna paste the ID. Add a local variable, local character equals script.parent, Make a humanoid variable, character, wait for child, so it's gonna wait for the humanoid to load. And then make a walk anim variable, walk anim equals script dot walk. Then, oh yeah, wait for child. so it doesn't give any errors, so it waits for the animation to load. And then make a walk load script, so a variable, so it loads, so it makes a variable to load the animation. And then do humanoid dot running connect function, then name it to speed. The function should have a variable and you should name it to speed or whatever you want actually. Make an if else statement. If speed is bigger than 0, then make another if statement. If walk load is not playing, then walk load plays, so it plays the animation. Make an if statement. If walk load is playing, then walk load stop. So if the speed is not bigger than 0 and if the animation is playing, you should stop the animation. I'm adding an output so I know an error if there's any errors. Oh yeah, I forgot to add parentheses. Now let's play. An error message. To fix this, I'm gonna add load animation. The animation works. It looks pretty cool. It doesn't look anything fancy, but it works. Thanks for watching. This is it for the tutorial. See ya.